Welcome welcome to Quality and Building Methodology, Survey of Joining and Cutting Process. The chapter introduced the conventional, better known joining and cutting process. The designation feature of the various process, their attribute and limitation and comparison were applicable or identified here. Operation characterizes power required means operate pattern welding skill. And cost consideration along with possible material and material thickness application are discussed. However, the information present is governation of the subject should not be used or select the process for spatial application, where spatial information data need the reader should consult the additional source concluding those listed at the end of the chapter of the volume. The arc welding group of joining is widely used in industry. Other well-known and often used joining processes are oxyfill, gas welding, resistance welding, flash welding, brazing, and soldering. Diffusion, friction, electrobeam, and laser beam welding are along advisable. Bonding are being applied to an increasing number of applications in industry. Ultrasonic and explosive welding have only narrow field of application, as does thermal spraying, thermal cutting process are also covered because of their application in fabrication operation. Description of several common methods of several removing metal are included. Relatively few individuals develop of expertise in the useful all process, and probably no one had the association at the cut or join all the currently available engineering material. The term of this chapter there. The purpose of this chapter, therefore, is to be familiarization reader with all the major computery process, so that the consideration may be given to those processes that might otherwise be overlooked. Frequently, several processes can be used for any particular job. Major problem is to select on this is the most suitable in terms of fitness, service, and cost. These two factors heavier may not be totally compatible, though the forcing compromise. Selection of a process of depend on a number of considerations, including the number of components being fabrication, capital, equipment. Equipment cost, location, structure, mass, and desired performance of the product, the developability of the process of the location of the operation of type of the shape of the experiential ability of the employee may also have an impact at the final selection. These considerations are touched upon and easy really to different process. The information personal is complement by table 1.1 for joining and 1.2 for cutting. Table 1.1 indicate those processes, material and material thickness. Combination are usually compatible. The difficult the left left hand column of the table listed of variety of engineering material that for arbitrary thickness range. The major process currently used by industry are listed across the table, across the top. Table 1.2 indicate the applicability of several major cutting and process to several materials. This table should be regarded as only general indicated and additional resource should be consulted for specific application before final decisions are made or recommended. Nevertheless, the information present can be several as a guide in scanning process for the joining or cutting requirement. Arc welding. The term arc welding applies to large diversible group of welding process. The use of electric arc, the source of the heat of the melt and joint metal. The formation of a weld between metal when arc widely may be or may not be required of the use of process of filler metal. Welding arc is stuck between the workpiece and the tip of the electrode. The electrode to be either a consumable wire or wire rod and non-consumable carbon or tungsten rod which carried out the welding current. The electrode is manually, mechanically moved along the joint or the remaining stationary while the workpiece is moved. When a non-consumable electrode is used, filler metal can be supplied by a separate rod or wire needed. A consumable electrode, however, will be designed not only to be conduct the current that stationary that are but also melt and display filler metal to the joint. It may also produce slag converting to protect the heat metal oxidation. Shielded metal arc welding is a yearly arc welding process. It is only the simple and versatile process is welding ferrous and several non-ferrous metals. But the process is illustrated in figure 1.1. It uses a covered electrode consisting of core, wire, and now which concentrate clay-like mixture of silicate, binders, and powder materials such as fluoride, carbonate, and oxide metal alloy and silver. Is astute, the electrode is the bulk, dark, dry, the covering. The covering is source of art stabilizer. Gas is dissipator, air metal and slag air protect, support and insulate as the hot metal. The bare selection of the electrode clamp is electrode holder, which is turned in connected to the power source by a welding lead. The work is connected to the other power source terminal. The arc is initiated by touching the elected tip against the work then without slightly. The heat of the arc melts the core wire metal powder in the covering or in the weld. Cover electrodes are used a variety of diameter normally range from 2 to 8 mm. The smaller diameters are used with low current for joining thin section for welding all position. The larger diameter are designed for conducting high current to achieve greater dispersion rates are the flat and horizontal position. Especially alloy filler metal composition can be formulated with relative ease by the use of metal powder in the electrode coating. Covered electrodes are produced in the variety of diameter normally remain from 2 to 8 mm. The smaller diameter are used with low current for joining thin section for welding in all positions. The larger diameter are designed for conducting current to achieve greater deposited rate, flat and horizontal position. Special alloy filler metal composition can be formulated with relatively easy by the use of metal powder in electrode coating. One group of heavily coated steel electrode, often called drag rod, can make welding in the flat and horizontal position easier to because they are allowed to touch the work. A relatively large amount of filler metal can be deposited by less experienced welder using this type of electrode. Electrode designed for all position welding required more experienced welder to obtain acceptable weld quality, particularly in the vertical and overhead position. The HMAW possesses several advantages. Using the process job shop handle many welding applications with relatively small variety of electrodes. Other advantages are simplicity and lightness of the equipment and its relatively low cost. Also, weld can be made in confined location or remote from heavier power supply. And alternating current AC or current direct current DC power source welding lead cable electrode holder, welding helmet, and protective clothing are required. The power source can be connected to the primary line providing about the kilowatt or less. A gasoline engine driving power source can be used when portability is necessary. Solid state power are available which are small and sufficient light in the weight to be manually carried out job location. For this reason, the SMAW process has wide application in the construction, pipeline, and maintenance industry, and uncomplicated portability equipment is a common user maintenance and field construction work. SMAW both is suitable for joining the metal in wide in thickness about normal is best suited for section of 1/8, 1 to 3/4, 3 to 19 mm thickness. However, SMAW frequently use welding thick component which cannot be repositioned for the flat or horizontal welding, but the deposition rates are lower in other positions. Section thinner than 3 mm can be joined, but a required skill is such greater. Governed weld joint plate thickness normally require a preparation to allow proper access the root the joint. The filler weld very easy to make, particularly heavier covered electrode surfacing another common application of the SMA process. The typically current range used is between 50 to 300 ampere. Some typical electrodes are designed to be used with current in high as 600 amperes and others low as 30 amperes, allowing a weld metal deposit rate of between 2 and 17 lV hour, 1 1 1 to 8 kg hour flat position. However, a welder normally is only able to deposit up to 4.5 kg per day in all position welding because whole diameter electrode low current are used and considerable electrode manipulation is necessary. Also, cleaning of slack covering from the weld wedge is required after each pass. As a result, labor costs are higher. Material costs are also since less than 60% of the weight of the purchased electrode deposition as filler metal. In spite of this deficiency, SMAW maintains this position because of its simplicity and versatile. Many welders and engineers are comfortable with the process as a result long experience with it. However, other more productivity or welding process are replacing SMAW with many applications. Thank you.